Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want your Wix website to look perfect on any screen? Here's how to make sure it fits all devices seamlessly. First of all, log into your Wix account and open the site editor for your website. Start by switching to the mobile view in the editor. This helps you optimize your site for smartphones and tablets. Go to the settings menu and select mobile settings. Turn on the option for auto adjust or states to fit, which will automatically adjust the design for different screen sizes. Next, check that your content, images, and text aren't too large. Resize or reposition elements to make sure they fit nicely on smaller screens. Test your website on multiple screen sizes, such as desktop, tablet, and mobile to ensure a smooth viewing experience. And that's it. Your Wix website is now fully optimized for any screen size. Like and subscribe for more website tips.